Welcome to RoboForm, a comprehensive password management solution for fast, secure, and productive workplaces. This video is an introduction to RoboForm, where we will explain some key features and functionalities. Once you've created your RoboForm master password and the authentication process is complete, you can access RoboForm in a few different ways. First, through your internet browser. RoboForm appears as a toolbar in Internet Explorer and as a browser extension in Chrome and other browsers. If the RoboForm browser extension does not automatically appear in your Chrome browser, make sure that the RoboForm browser extension is added and enabled in the browser extension settings. RoboForm can also be accessed and managed via a local or web-based editor. The RoboForm web-based editor is also called the RoboForm start page. The local editor is easily accessed by double-clicking on the RoboForm icon in the system tray, and web-based editor, or RoboForm start page, by clicking the home button located in the RoboForm browser extension or toolbar. RoboForm works with all major browsers, and it will offer to save your login credentials whenever you sign into a web-based or local application. Let's sign into LinkedIn. After entering credentials and clicking the Sign In button, RoboForm prompts me to save and securely store the credentials I just entered in the form of a new RoboForm login file. RoboForm also allows the manual creation of logins. To manually create a new RoboForm login, simply open the RoboForm start page, select New Login from the New File Creation menu, find the application or website you wish to save the login credentials for, enter the login credentials, and press the Save button. When creating a new password or changing one for an existing account, please use the RoboForm built-in password generator, which is located in the RoboForm browser extension or toolbar. Once we insert the newly random generated password into an account creation page or a password change form, RoboForm will take care of the rest. The simple practice will ensure all your accounts always have unique and complex passwords. Once logins are saved, RoboForm can log you into websites or applications with just one click. You can initiate this one-click login procedure from your browser extension, start page, or local editor. The batch login command will log you into all websites or applications stored in one folder or subfolder. If you are already in the middle of a browsing session, RoboForm browser extension always keeps the list of matching logins ready in the event you wish to use them on any of the web pages currently opened. In addition to logins, RoboForm offers the creation of RoboForm files called identities. Just as any other RoboForm file type, the new identity can be created from the New File Creation menu in the RoboForm start page. RoboForm identities can store names, addresses, phone numbers, and business-related information for you, your employees, or your clients. Information stored in RoboForm identities can be automatically generated in the web-based or local form with just one click. To demonstrate, I'll use my identity to fill out an Amazon shipping label. All I have to do is select my identity from the web extension, and RoboForm fills it in for me. Another RoboForm file type called RoboForm Bookmark stores web links. RoboForm will save the current web page as a new bookmark after the new bookmark creation command is selected from the RoboForm browser extension. The new bookmark can also be created from the New File Creation menu in the RoboForm start page. Once the new bookmark window is open, simply paste the URL, name the new bookmark, and hit the Save button. Lastly, RoboForm offers a secure encrypted space for sensitive text files called Safe Notes. RoboForm Safe Notes store and protect data, such as login instructions or other authentication procedures, as well as essential non-digital assets. Editing logins and other RoboForm files is easy. From the RoboForm browser extension or toolbar, simply right-click on the RoboForm file you wish to edit, make changes, and press the Save button. The procedure is similar when editing the files from the RoboForm start page. Locate the RoboForm file you wish to edit, make changes, and press the Save button.